morning.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, shall we start for today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Where did we stop? Where did we stop yesterday? Can somebody do a summary of what we did yesterday? Who would like to say? Nora? Nora, can you say what we did yesterday?
Tiger lesson.
Yes, tiger stripes. Okay, so what did we study yesterday from the lesson? What did you understand?
When the tiger wake up, his stripes were missing.
His stripes were missing. Very good. Okay.
So all the animals be scared.
Why were they scared?
Because tiger stripes were missing.
Okay, the tiger stripes were missing. When the tiger stripes were missing, what happened to the tiger?
He got angry.
He got angry, and so all the other animals became very scared. Okay. What was the name of the tiger cub? Okay. So today we will see what Tiggy did to help his father. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are all the others listening? I can hear only Nora's voice. Okay. We will continue from where we stopped yesterday. Yes. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can I start reading?
Yeah.
Please pay attention. One day, all the animals in the forest were terrified. The tiger was terribly angry. Where are my stripes? Who has stolen them? He roared. All had been well the night before, but in the morning, the tiger's stripes were missing. Tiggy, the little tiger cub, was very upset. Why is Papa so angry? He asked his mother. Mama hugged him and said, he is very upset because his stripes are missing. Don't worry, everything will be well soon. Tiggy went out to play with his friend Bruno, the bear. He wanted to help his father. What shall I do? He asked Bruno. So when Tiggy saw that his father was upset, what did he do? When Tiggy saw that his father was upset, he went to his mother. He went to Mama Tiger and he asked, why is Papa so angry? So what does Mama Tiger say? She says he is upset or he is angry because his stripes are missing. That's why he is upset. But she says, don't worry, everything will be all right soon. And hearing that, Tiggy goes out to play with his friend. What is the name of his friend?
Bruno.
Bruno. Yes, very good. Tiggy goes out to play with his friend Bruno. And Bruno is a... What animal is Bruno? Bruno is a bear. Yes, Bruno is a bear. Tiggy goes out to play with his friend Bruno the bear. And Tiggy tells his friend, I want to help my father get back his stripes. What shall I do? And what does Bruno tell him? He says, let's see what Bruno says. Okay. Why don't you ask the old lady on the hill? She knows magic, Bruno the bear replied. I shall go at once, said Tiggy and raced off. Climbing up the hill was long and tiring, but Tiggy did not stop until he stood outside the old lady's hut. He knocked on the door softly. Go away, said the old lady. Please, madam, I need your help, said Tiggy. What does Bruno tell Tiggy? What does Bruno tell Tiggy? Bruno tells Tiggy that there is an old woman, there is an old lady who lives up the hill. Who's making that Bruno in between? Please mute your mic. Please mute your mics. Yes. Bruno tells Tiggy that there is an old woman who lives up the hill and she knows magic, that she can help Tiggy. And what does Tiggy do at once? He runs up the hill. Oh, it is very tiring. Tiggy goes up the hill until he reaches the old lady's hut. Hut is the place where the old lady is staying. And he knocks on the door. When he knocks on the door, there is somebody from inside who says, please go away. I don't want to see you. He says, please, madam, I need your help. Please help me. Yes?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
What does Bruno tell Tiggy? Janita, can you unmute your mic? Janita. Janita, could you unmute your mic, please? Siva, can you hear me? Siva?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer my question? What does Bruno tell Tiggy? What does Bruno tell Tiggy? Anybody who knows the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Bruno tells that in the old village there is a magical. That's not.
No. Bruno tells Tiggy that there is an old lady who lives up the hill. Not in the village. She lives up the hill. There is an old lady who lives up the hill and that she knows
Magic.
What does she know? She knows magic. Yes. So she can help Tiggy.
Magic.
Yes.
Magic.
And what happens? What does Tiggy do then?
He runs.
He runs. He runs up the hill.
He runs up the hill and knocks the door.
Knocks the door. Okay. And what happens then?
Then someone is telling from inside.
Yes.
I don't want to see.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay. And what does Tiggy say then?
Please, I need your help.
I need your help. Very good. Very good, Nora. Okay. So all the others have also understood? Pranav?
Yes.
Pranav, you can hear me?
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. What does Tiggy ask the old woman? When the old woman asks Tiggy to go away, what does Tiggy say? What does Tiggy say? He says, I need your help. Yes, I need your help. Tiggy says, I need your help. Okay.
I need your help.
Okay, after that, he says, please, madam, I need your help. He heard footsteps coming closer and closer. Then the door opened. If you don't listen, you cannot understand what I'm saying. He heard footsteps coming closer and closer. Then the door opened. He saw a very old lady wearing a tattered gown. She looked angry. "Who are you? Why are you here?" she asked. "I am Tiggy and I want some magic powder." I can hear some parents speaking in between. Please don't speak in between. The students cannot hear what I am saying. "I am Tiggy and I want some magic powder. My papa has lost his stripes," answered Tiggy. "Run away. I am not helping anyone," she said. Big tears rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. The old lady's heart melted. Okay, so what happens? Once Tiggy says, "Please, madam, I need your help," he can hear footsteps. Somebody is walking towards the door. And then an old lady opens the door. When the old lady opens the door, what does Tiggy see? He sees a very old woman wearing a long tattered gown. What does the word tattered mean? Do you know what the meaning of tattered is?
No.
Tattered means torn. T-O-R-N, torn. What is torn? Sometimes the clothes you're wearing gets torn.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, she was wearing an old tattered gown. Gown is a long dress. Okay?
Long dress.
So the old lady wearing this old tattered gown opens the door and she asks, "What do you want?" And Tiggy tells her, "I want some magic powder. I want some magic powder to help my father get back his stripes." Yes, very good. "I want some magic powder so that I can give it to my father and he can get back his stripes." What does the old lady say? "Run away. I don't want to help anybody." When she says that, Tiggy feels very sad and tears start rolling down his cheeks. And when the old woman sees Tiggy crying, what happens? She feels sad. Her heart melts. Okay, she feels bad for Tiggy. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Do you all cry when somebody says no to you? When you ask for chocolates and somebody says no, do you start crying? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, Tiggy also felt sad. When the old woman said, "No, I cannot give you magic powder," Tiggy also felt sad and he starts crying. That's when the old woman feels bad for Tiggy. Okay? Now here we learned two new words. What are those two new words?
Upset.
Upset. Yes, upset. And upset. What is the meaning of upset?
Sad.
Sad or unhappy. The tiger was upset because his stripes were missing. He was unhappy. And the other word that we learned was tattered. T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Tattered. T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Tattered, which means torn. And gown. Gown is a long dress. Yes.
This how many times we will write?
Now you write only once. Now you just write once in your rough book. Upset, tattered, gown. Upset means unhappy. Tattered means torn. And gown means a long dress. Upset, U-P-S-E-T. Okay. Tattered is T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. And gown is G-O-W-N. Can somebody tell me the 3 words that we learned yesterday?
Terrified.
Terrified, yes, very good. Very good. Terrified, terribly, missing. What was the meaning of terrified?
Very scared.
What was the meaning of terribly? Very badly. Okay.
Very badly.
And what was the meaning of missing? Not to be found. Very good. Very good. Very good, children. Okay.
Cannot find that.
Okay, now. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, tell me what was the name of the tiger cub?
Piggy.
Tiggy. Okay. And what was his friend's name?
Bruno.
Bruno. What animal is Bruno?
Bear.
Not bear, bear. B-E-A-R is a bear. What is it?
Bear.
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 Bruno is a bear. Okay. Now tell me, what does Bruno tell Tiggy? How can Tiggy help his father? Old woman. Where does the old woman live?
On the hill.
On the hill. Okay, up the hill. Yes. And what does Tiggy do?
He ran to the hill. He knocked the door.
Okay, he knocks on the door and then what happens? Yes, he knocks on the door and what happens?
Someone tells inside, I don't want to see you.
Okay, again it is Nora. Only Nora is answering my questions. What about the others? I want somebody else to answer. Devamitra. Devamitra, please answer my question.
I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you.
I don't want to see you. Okay, okay, very good. Then when the old woman opens the door, what does Tiggy see?
A very old lady.
What does he see? Yes, Devamitra, tell me.
Wearing a tattered gown.
What does he see? What dress is the old woman wearing?
He's
He's an old woman, yes.
wearing dress.
Wearing
Gown.
Gown. What? How was the gown? What kind of gown was it? Tattered gown. Very good. Very good. She was wearing a tattered gown. Okay. And what does Tiggy ask the old woman? What does he say? Give me some
Give me some powder.
magic powder. Why does he want the magic powder?
He wants to get back the stripes.
He wants to help his father get back the stripes. So he says, I want the magic powder to help my father get back the stripes. Okay, is that clear now?
Yes.
Yes. When he asks for the magic powder, what does the old lady tell him?
Yes. I want the.
Go away, I will not give you magic. And then what happens to Tiggy?
He cried.
He starts crying. Yes, yes. Okay, and when he starts crying, does the old woman get angry?
No.
No. What happens to her?
She be sad.
She feels sad. She feels sad for Tiggy. Okay, very good, very good. Just take down this question. What is the name of... Just write the answer. Don't write the question. What is the name of the tiger cub?
Tiggy.
Just write the answer. Write the answer.
Tiggy.
Tiggy, yes. I want to see the spelling is also correct.
I'm finished.
What is the spelling of Tiggy? T-I-G-G-Y. Very good. What is the name of Tiggy's friend?
Bruno.
I want the spelling also. Tiggy's friend? Yes, I want the spelling also.
B-R-U-N-O.
B-R-U-N-O. Bruno.
Bruno.
And what animal is Bruno?
Bear.
Bruno is a bear. Yes. All of you have written the answers?
Yes.
Rex, have you written?
Yes.
Okay.
Felix.
Who is calling me?
I can.
Okay, Pranav. I want you to read. Can you see?
Yes.
Pranav, read from the second paragraph. From Tiggy, the little tiger cub.
Tiggy, the
Yes.
tiger cub was very upset.
Upset, yes. Yes, continue. Yes. Pranav, louder, louder.
Why
Why is
Papa so Angry.
Angry, yes. He asked his mother.
His mother.
Yes, continue.
Angry. Mom, I can tell.
Wait, Nora. Let him try. Yes, Pranav, continue.
Mama hugged him.
Hugged him, yes. Mama hugged him and said,
he is very upset.
yes. Because his stripes.
Because his stripes are missing.
Missing, yes, very good. Okay, then. Don't worry. Everything will be well soon. Pranav, you should practice reading, okay? You should read faster.
Don't.
You have books at home?
Yes.
Yes, you should practice reading at home. Okay?
Yes.
I want you to read faster the next time. Okay, Nora, can you read the next paragraph? Thank you, Pranav. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, I only know the second paragraph.
You want to read the second paragraph? Nora, do you want to read the second paragraph?
Yes.
Yes, okay, read.
The little tiger cub was very upset. Why?
Wait. After upset, there is a full stop. So stop your sentence there.
Okay.
Tiggy, the little tiger cub, was very upset.
Why is Papa so angry? He asked his mother,
yes.
Mama.
Again, there is a full stop there. He asked his mother. Now the next sentence. Mama
hugged him
yes.
and said,
Yes.
he is very upset because his stripes were missing.
Are missing, not were, are missing.
Are missing.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Don't say don't. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yes.
Everything will be well soon.
Okay, very good, Nora. Yes. Okay. So is that clear now?
Yes.
For everyone?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
For today, that is all we will be doing. Okay, next class, I want you all to read more faster and I want you to answer my questions. Only Nora and Pranav are answering. I want all the others to answer. You're able to understand what I say, right?
Yes.
So I want you to answer my questions also. It's okay if you go wrong, we will learn. Okay? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Bye.
Thank you, Mom. Bye, Mom.